Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'll show you how to install Python on Windows and how to use it with Visual Studio Community Edition. So you go to www.python.org and go to Windows. Don't download it from here because it's 32-bit download and most probably your operating system would be 64-bit. So you click Windows and you go here. And I see there are several installers available here. Should either download this guy or this guy or this guy or this guy. If you are on 64-bit computer, then you should download either of these two. If you are on 32-bit, you should download these two. How to find out which one you should download is you go to your PC and say properties. Here it will tell you what kind of operating system you have. For example, mine is 64-bit operating system and it clearly says that. So once it is downloaded, I have it in my download folder. I have already downloaded it. So I'm going to run this. So make sure you click add Python 3.7 to path and it will download in your home directory. If you want to change directory, then you can change it from here. So it includes the idle editor, pip and documentation. So you click that and it will install the Python on your system. It takes a while to install it, so we wait. And after this you need to create a virtual environment once it gets installed. So it is installed now. I'll invoke command prompt. I have already created my virtual environment here, I believe v3. So you can say pip install virtualenv and it will install virtualenv. For me it is already satisfied. So now you can say virtualenv minus vm3, for example, minus p python 3. So that will install your virtual environment. Minus, I forgot this, minus m or minus p. Let's see. The path is equal to python 3 does not exist. Oh, let's take help a bit. I forgot this. So minus p this. Okay. So I should have this in path. Oh, it is not in path. I added it to path, but it didn't come in path. So what we can do is, since it is not in our path, we go to c:\users. It is not in our path. Okay. Okay. cd app data / local / programs / python. Now we see here we go to python 37 and this is where it should be. Yeah. So what we can do is we can go here, we go to PC, we go to C drive, users. Coincidentally, it's a good thing that it didn't install edit the path, so I can show you how to edit to path. I'm in local and then I have to go to Python programs, I believe, and then Python, and then this. I take this path and you right click this and say properties and you say advanced system settings and then you go to environment variable. In the path it should be there. So yes, it is in there. Then it is very strange that it does not, it is there, not Python 3, but Python is in the path. This is weird behavior on Windows. So it is named Python, there is no shortcut or link to Python 3. Okay, so fair enough. Backslash C colon backslash users okay, here, and now we see this. Okay, so now we can say virtual env venv3. So it will create my virtual environment. In the meantime, I can launch Visual Studio 2017. You can use this, or you can use Visual Studio Code as per your choice, but I prefer Visual Studio 2017 because it is better for me. I mean, nothing beats Visual Studio in terms of functionality, and it supports JavaScript as well. It's for free, so you can use it. So you can go here, you can say project, you can say file, new project, and then it will print, give you the choice. So I say Python application, and let it be there, Python application 1. Create directory for solution, no git repository. Okay, so once it creates the Python application, it will pick the global Python interpreter on its own, and we'll change that to the virtual environment. It takes a bit to create the project. See, there you go. So now we have our Python environment. This is the global default. You can say add virtual environment, and you can point it to your our newly created virtual environment. You can go here, it is in scripts, so that is the path we have to give. Okay, not scripts. So now we can add that. So now it is added, and this is our Python application.py. So I can simply say print hello world. You can save the file, and then you say debug. Start without debugging. Shortcut is Control F5, and there you go, it has run. So we have successfully installed Python and run our first Python program. You can use another editor instead of Visual Studio, like Visual Studio Code or Sublime, whichever you prefer, or even Atom you can use. It doesn't matter much really. There is not a lot of difference between these editors. So I think that would be it. I rarely make Windows videos because I'm not very well versed with Windows. I have spent my entire life on Unix and Linux systems. So for a change, I thought that I'll make a video on Windows. If you have enjoyed this video and found it informative, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll try to make more videos on Windows. So let's see how it goes. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Happy programming.